fleece,
It feels
and I
kind of
just dealt with
liberating
it.
too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like you feel like you're like cheating the coat. You're like, "God,
Shedding it, haha.
Yeah, and it was sunny, so it's fine.
that will work." So we've got a good combination for you. Let me show you what's happening outside here, okay? Because we've got a lot happening. I know that I've been saying like the big banner headline on the marquee is big warm up today, right? But there's a lot behind that here that we need to pay attention to as well. So temperature right now, 40 degrees in Toledo. Look at this, 54 in Columbus, 55 Indianapolis, 61 in St. Louis. That's where our air is coming from. No stopping this slow down today. We've got dry skies on radar right now. That's going to be changing in a big way for parts of the eastern U.S. later on tonight. Here's the reason why. Got this area of low pressure coming through the Four Corners region right now. I illustrated on here the jet stream so you can see it's got some strong winds higher in the atmosphere coming together. That does a couple of things. One, makes this storm a little bit stronger. Number two, it's also going to help pull northward some Gulf moisture. And now we're starting to get some ingredients starting to overlap that'll potentially make some major severe weather later on today. Let me show you the highlighted bullseye area for this one, essentially right over St. Louis. From Memphis all the way to Iowa under the gun for our first severe weather outbreak of the season later today. Notice we're a little too far east for this one, but we will get some remnant leftovers of these thunderstorms. Let me show you what I mean. My hour-by-hour forecast. During the day today, we are going to be dry tonight as well. But by this evening, this is 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, see that arcing line of thunderstorms that develops west down towards St. Louis. So we'll be watching that. Overnight, they march our way. Of course, they'll be weakening as they move towards us. You just don't get the same kind of heat and instability for these thunderstorms to feed on. Nevertheless, you could be waking up tomorrow morning to downpours. Maybe some spring rumbles of thunder as well. That moves eastward. We got a chance to dry out for a little bit. And then by the evening hours, more heavy soaking. These will be more prolonged downpours for tomorrow night for you there. So 75 today, 73 tomorrow. A few showers, soggy conditions on Sunday. And ladies, we're talking about next week as well. Doesn't look all that bad. Still some 60s on the map, some 50s as well. So still looking at temperatures above average here, even for all of next week.
Good news.
Because our average is like 40 something, right?
Yeah, upper 40s, getting ready to tip over to 50 here pretty soon. So.
Very nice.
Well, then thank you.